Hello students, welcome back to our discussion on human excretory system. In our previous topic is if a person kidney failure, how could he manage the blood filtration? If the person failure both kidney, how he is blood filtration? That was one temporary solution is dialysis. That is a one that is a temporary solution only. The best, what is the permanent solution for the kidney failure? The best long-term solution for kidney failure is a kidney transplantation. For kidney failure, long-term solution is a kidney transplantation. A functioning kidney is used in transplantation from a donor, preferably a close relative. The kidney that is received by a patient by a recipient must be good match to his body to minimize the chances of rejection of transplanted kidney by the immune system of the recipient. Modern clinical procedures have increased the success rate of such complicated techniques. It means if the person both kidneys are fail, then one permanent solution is there, that is kidney transplantation. If the kidney is transplant from the a donor, preferably a close relative, because that means that donor kidney is matched to his blood and blood group same. Because if the person kidney who is donor, that kidney is recipient blood group same, so that person's immune system positively respond and the kidney function normally. Where is the transplanted kidney fixed in the body of a kidney failure patient? If one person kidney fail, these both kidneys are failed. Where the transplanted kidney is transplanted in the body? Where? Here. See children, here. Below the failure kidney and near to urinary bladder కి దగ్గరలో the transplanted kidney is transplanted. What about the failed kidneys? It means the failed kidneys, these are failed kidneys. These failed kidneys are removed from the body or keep it at their location. అదే ప్లేస్లో ఉంచుతారా లేకపోతే తీసేస్తారా? నో, ద ఫెయిల్డ్ కిడ్నీస్ ఆర్ నాట్ రిమూవ్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ ది బాడీ ఎట్ దేర్ లొకేషన్. దే కీప్ failed kidneys are keep at their that location only, not removed. Because if we cut this failed not functioning kidneys, we may have chance of septic, so they not removed from the body. Can donor lead normal life with a single kidney without any complications? If the person, the donor, gives the kidney to the recipient of a patient who has the kidney failure, that donor has only one kidney because he gives that another kidney to the patient. That person లీడ్ నార్మల్ లైఫ్, అతడు నార్మల్గా సింగిల్ కిడ్నీ తోటి ఉండగలడా? ఎస్, ఈ విల్ లీడ్ ద నార్మల్ లైఫ్ విత్ సింగిల్ kidney. Nowadays, the process of organ donation help a lot of kidney failure patients. Organs are collected from brain dead patients, then transplanted to the recipient. To know more about the organ donation, see in an excerpt. Nowadays, we are all are seeing ads in cinemas or and some persons like heroes or political leaders or social workers giving information to us. Organ donation is very good to give the life to the other person if the person is dead, brain dead, mainly brain dead persons. If the person dead with brain, it means the persons all organs, some of main organs like heart, kidney, lungs, like that organs are functioning, but his brain, some of the part in the brain not worked, so that person is declared as brain dead. So the doctors say to their relatives, give the organs from this brain dead, this will help to the other persons. So brain dead is a brain dead persons organs are useful to the recipients, the person who have the different types of diseases like heart or kidney or lungs. Other pathways of excretion are accessory excretory organs. It means in our body we have learnt about kidney, chief excretory organ of our body. In our body, our important, chief means important excretory organ is kidney. మన బాడీలో మన బాడీలో వేస్ట్ సబ్స్టాన్స్ని ఫిల్టరేషన్ చేసే మెయిన్ పార్ట్, చీఫ్ ఎక్స్క్రీటరీ ఆర్గాన్ ఈజ్ కిడ్నీ. బట్ వీ హ్యావ్ అదర్ ఎక్స్క్రీటరీ ఆర్గాన్స్ ఆల్సో దేర్. దే ఆర్ లంగ్స్, స్కిన్, లివర్ and large intestine have their own specific functions but carry out excretion as a secondary function. These organs, lungs, skin, liver and large intestine have their main work. It means lungs are useful for the gases exchange, skin is work of protect the internal organs of body, liver secrete the bile juice and large intestine is remove the undigested material from the body. So these are the this is for the digestive system, but these organs have the secondary work, secondary function. So lungs, skin, liver and large intestines are called accessory excretory organs. This may ask for your 4-mark question. Some of your previous 10th class friends, previous year 10th class friends, when in examination asked write about accessory excretory organs in our body, so they simply written about the kidney shape, kidney structure, nephron and filtration of blood. They all are write down about this kidney, but correct answer is about the accessory excretory organs are lungs, skin, liver and large intestine. Lungs, in respiratory process, lungs remove carbon dioxide and water. So carbon dioxide and excess water are the poisonous to the body. So carbon dioxide and excess water are released, removed from the body by lungs. So lungs are called accessory excretory organs. Next, skin. It contains of large number of sweat glands, చెమట గ్రంథులు ఉంటాయి, richly supplied with blood capillaries from which they extract sweat and some metabolic wastes. Since the skin sends out plenty of water and small amount of salts, it serves as an excretory organ. Sebaceous glands in skin eliminate sebum, which contains waxes, sterols, hydrocarbons, and fatty acids. So, skin acts as accessory excretory organs because skin removes the excess water which is present in blood and also salts, and the skin also have the plenty of Sebaceous glands. You studied about this Sebaceous glands in your 9th class sense organ. Sebaceous glands release the sebum which contains wax, sterols. So these are also unwanted materials. So these materials removed by the skin. Hydrocarbons and fatty acids. Collect information on sebum and prepare a news bulletin display on your bulletin board. Write about the sebum and prepare the news. People in cold countries get very less no sweat. What changes occur in their skin and in other excretory organs? People who are living in America or European countries, in that country's weather climate is very cool, so sweat process not occurred. Sweat chamata battle. What changes are occurred? మరి వాళ్ళలో స్కిన్లో ఎలాంటి దే స్కిన్ is filled with fat, because fat is not remove the heat from the body and other excretory organs. మరి ఈ బాడీ కూల్ క్లైమేట్లో ఉండే వాళ్ళలో అదర్ ఎక్స్క్రీటరీ ఆర్గాన్స్ ఎలా డెవలప్ అయ్యి ఉంటాయి? లివర్. We will discuss about these two topics in our next classes. Liver, it produce bile pigments. Bile pigments means bilirubin, biliverdin and urochrome. These are the bile pigments: bilirubin, biliverdin and urochrome, which are metabolic wastes of hemoglobin of dead RBC. The lifespan of RBC is 120 days. They are destroyed in the liver. Urochrome eliminated through urine. Biliverdin and bilirubin are excreted through bile along with cholesterol and derivatives of steroid hormones, extra drug, vitamins and alkaline salts. Liver is involved in urea formation. So liver is also a accessory excretory organ. How? Because RBCs are died in the liver. So when RBCs are died, hemoglobin is also breakdown. So hemoglobin breakdown, bile pigments like bilirubin, biliverdin and urochrome are released. So the urochrome is eliminated through the urine. యూరిన్కి ఎల్లో కలరు ఇచ్చేది యూరోక్రోమే. బిలిరూబిన్ అండ్ బిలివర్దిన్ ఆర్ ఎక్స్క్రీటెడ్ త్రూ ది బైల్ అలాంగ్ విత్ కొలెస్ట్రాల్ అండ్ డెరివేటివ్స్ ఆఫ్ స్టిరాయిడ్ హార్మోన్స్, ఎక్స్ట్రా డ్రగ్, విటమిన్స్ అండ్ ఆల్కలాయిడ్ సాల్ట్స్. లివర్ ఈజ్ ఇన్వాల్వ్డ్ ఇన్ యూరియా ఫార్మేషన్. యూరియా ఏర్పడడానికి అంటే ప్రోటీన్స్ డీఅమినేషన్ జరిగినప్పుడు యూరియా ఏర్పడుతుంది. సో లివర్ ఆల్సో రిమూవ్ సమ్ waste products from the body. So liver is called accessory excretory organs. Next, large intestine. Excess salts of calcium, magnesium and iron are excreted by the epithelial cells of colon for elimination along with the feces. Feces means undigested material. So large intestine also remove some waste products, salts, calcium, magnesium and iron, excrete